So today we're going to be making matcha banana bread. What makes this banana bread so good isn't the addition of the matcha powder, but actually the brown butter that we'll be making. We need to make the brown butter first, so melt the butter over a low heat in a light coloured saucepan. The saucepan should be light coloured because you need to be able to see when the butter starts turning an amber colour. You don't need to do too much to the butter, just be patient and occasionally stir it so that you can scrape the brown bits from the bottom so that they don't burn, and once the butter turns an amber colour, you can remove it from the heat. Then pour it into a bowl and place it into the fridge for 3 hours or overnight. We're now going to make some Kinako streusel for that crunch factor. So what you want to do is just get 10 grams of the brown butter and the streusel ingredients and pinch all of it together until it resembles wet sand. Once that's done, we can just set it aside while we work on the banana bread. We're then going to chuck the bananas into a bowl and mash it with a fork. I've got 3 fairly large sized bananas here. I'm then going to use a stick blender to further blend the banana into a puree, otherwise the banana is going to sink to the bottom when we bake it. You can also skip this step by chucking the banana into a blender in the beginning. Now place 120 grams of brown butter into a large bowl along with the sugars and start to cream it. We want to cream the butter and sugars until they're light and fluffy, and it should turn into a very light brown color. We're then going to add in the egg and continue whisking that until it's fully incorporated into the creamed butter. Once that's done, we're just going to set it aside. Now take the 2 types of flours, matcha powder, baking powder and baking soda, and whisk it into a large bowl and then set it aside. Grab your mashed banana and pour in the almond milk and vanilla essence and then mix it until it's combined. We're now going to take half of the flour mix and half of the banana mix and pour it into the creamed butter and then mix it all together until it's evenly combined. Then add in the remaining half of the flour and the remaining half of the banana and give it a mix again until it's evenly incorporated. Line your loaf tin with baking paper and pour in the batter, then top it with the streusel mix on top. We're then going to bake it at 180 degrees for 60 minutes. And that's it, we're done. Our matcha banana bread is ready. Thanks for watching and please remember to like and subscribe.